Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do we have a super fun video for you today? This is one of the first videos we've done in a while where we were able to film at a yard sale, and this one wasn't so great, but it wasn't so bad. This one was a big community sale that happens once a year near us, and me and my youngest daughter, went out and spent a few hours there and found some decent stuff. We didn't find much, but we found some good stuff. Now, what was great about this video was my middle daughter wanted to film, and I think I might find a new videographer. So she did a pretty good job. I checked out some of the clips before I did this part of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoy the clips from the yard sales. Before we get into that, if this is your first time here, guys, hit that subscribe button down below, share it, comment, like it, and welcome. If this is something that you guys enjoy, hopefully you'll stick around. So, let's get into the footage and let's see what we found.
Good, how are you? Get back there right now.
You can't go no further.
I know we can't, but I don't want them scaring the kids. Stop.
Put a little fence around.
Yeah, that's awkward. He's fine. That's enough.
Okay, go across the street.
We got Miss Nosy over here.
What? No.
Papa, come here.
I mean, I said, yeah, I'll look for That's awesome. I can't believe I found that first thing. Thank you very much.
Oh, I'm sorry, my basket's in the way.
Because I'm thinking, yeah, gasoline can. You know, it's going to cost me $5 an hour for him to cut up.
This way.
$2.
We're gonna get it.
I think so. We'll hit up these ones, then we'll cut that and go over that way.
Okay.
See that?
Was there an Anna?
Yeah, I think we're gonna get these.
Get what?
These.
They're $5.
I don't know if it's $5 for all or what.
Do you want me to go put this in the car?
No, not yet. I mean, they're a little banged off. Those metal figures thing, are they 5 each or 5 for them all? Okay, I'll do those.
Okay. That's a cute camera.
Thank you.
Is it ring?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
See anything else?
Yeah.
Markets usually do good.
What?
These things.
Michaela.
Pickles. Picked up there. I haven't used that. Okay, come on. M&M stuff.
Where now?
God, like an M&M machine.
Look what I have.
Is that for like Easter, you think?
Yeah.
See that big blue one, Michaela?
What big blue one?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
I like those.
It's wet.
I like those, but I don't know if they would work a deal.
It's castle.
Yeah. Guess, what is it?
I think that's teeth. That might be, I don't know the name.
I don't know this. I don't think.
Yeah, we already have enough of those. Nice printer.
Huh?
That's a nice printer.
Look at this.
Yeah.
The helmet.
So we're gonna get out here now. We have 2 houses here. One house usually is super expensive, but we're hoping maybe they have some good stuff. And I'm not sure what this other one has, so let's see.
We still have to see what I'm
We might
doing.
not need a backpack anymore.
No, but this is weird though.
Just think if you were carrying a bigger camera.
Okay.
What you looking for?
Anything. Anything catches our eye.
All right.
You never know.
Letting your kids hear you say that?
Yeah. Yeah. They're good about this though. They're troopers.
Good. Good.
Let's look over here. Shaved ice machine.
Can we get it?
No. Okay, that's good. Oh, those are cool. Waffle blocks.
Oh. Michaela, do you remember those are like giant, the ones that we have at home?
Yeah, compared to the small ones we have.
I work Sunday. 12 to 5. To what? 12 to 5. Till 5? I think 8 or 5.
No, but 5.
If you want to close and eat, put it 5 then.
Yeah. Okay. That's a nice router. Oh, we already have one. Okay, so we just stopped at probably what, 6-7 houses. Found a couple cool things. We're gonna keep driving through this neighborhood. It's really nice. This neighborhood's real big, but when you get towards the back where we're at now, it's not that busy. And it's really kind of nice that you can just get in the car, drive, stop, hit a couple houses, then get back in and do the same thing. So let's see what we can find. We've only found 2 things so far, but I think we found 2 good things. I don't like doing drive-bys normally, guys, but some of these you have to. So, to do this yard sale up here, you have to do drive-bys, because if you stop too much, it's just going to ruin your day. So,
But on some of these, on this street, there's not as many houses.
no, but that's
like,
good though. There's a couple
like,
houses though which we're gonna stop at. We're gonna pull over here. We're gonna hit these two houses up here because it looks like they might actually have some good stuff.
Like one of the houses that we've been to had snow cones.
Yeah, but this house got some. We got
next-
3 or 4 houses here, so let's get out and see what we can find.
Michaela.
Look what I found it.
Yeah, can you open it? Here.
I don't like. Oh.
Ooh, it's a little pouch. Oh, that's cute. What team is it?
Hit.
It's for Isaac, maybe.
So 5, 6.
Come on, Michaela.
Like these kind of things. This is a nightmare before Christmas. Look at all these. I love those.
Let's go around the other side.
Look at these. How much is that?
I don't
would love
have
to share
any
with
money
you
though.
What is it?
I don't have any money though.
Oh God, get that.
You want it?
Sure.
I don't know how much it is. Hold it.
I think that was one.
Okay, guys. So far, it has been okay. I don't think it's been great. I don't think it's been awful. It's been okay. We haven't bought too much stuff yet. We actually just found a Yeti
Yeah.
for $1, which you guys know we love Yetis. We find them. We don't find them that often, but hey, for $1, we're not going to pass it up. And guess what? This time it's not engraved like every other video. So super happy with that. We're going to hit some more houses here. I think we spent a grand total of probably only about $15 so far, so which is really
But
good.
we still got some more.
Yeah, we still got a lot more
so
houses
we might
and stuff.
find some more.
This one, okay, I usually don't do drive-bys. I am doing a drive-by on that one, only because,
There doesn't look like it.
yeah.
So when we
So there's still a lot more houses. This is a huge development. This is their biggest sale of the year. It's usually at the beginning of August. We love it. We usually always do well up here. We actually saw a car accident here last year, but hopefully not this year. So yeah, there's still a lot more houses here. There's one here, which looks like they have some good stuff. Hopefully, maybe, who knows? But we're probably gonna get out here. You know what? Never mind. We're gonna make a little detour real quick. Okay, so we're gonna go stop at this house that we just passed up a minute ago. We're gonna find out if there's anything here. So let's see. Oh wait, this is a dead end too. That's good. So yeah, let's go check out this house. They have a bunch. It looks
Which one? That one?
Actually, I am not going to stop there. It's a bunch. That's a bunch of little kids' clothes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage. The camera, well actually the GoPro, died about halfway through because it actually overheated. It's been super warm here, and sometimes, and I'm not sure if it's with everybody's, comment below if you have a GoPro and that thing overheats a ton. And this wasn't even attached to anything. She was kind of just holding it and that thing overheated. That's the one thing I don't like about the GoPro, but it happens, and we got majority of the footage. So I think the last couple yard sales, I'm not even 100% sure we found anything except for the one thing behind me, but that was totally different. So let's get into what we found and I'll explain it. So one of the first things we found was this NASA jacket. This is a Assist Series jacket here, extra large NASA jacket. Really, really cool jacket with the patches and the print and everything, full zipper. I looked it up on eBay and they say it's vintage. I'm not 100% sure, but I think we paid $1 for this. I'm going to list it for $19.99 plus shipping. I think the other lowest one's around $30, so I think this one will kind of move pretty quickly. It seems like these jackets are very, very popular with people. I know this was one of the first things we found. This was for $5 for the whole bin. It's these metal figures here. There's some of them measure about at 12 inches. They are, here you go right here, Sexton 1970 USA. Pretty cool. They do show some wear, but I think these are pretty good. I looked it up. Some of these sell for about 20 to 30 bucks, and there are 2, there's 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 3 football and 3 baseball. So with the Steeler colors, yeah, these are pretty cool. So Gary Anderson looks like they modeled that after Lynn Swann and Terry Bradshaw. Not 100% sure on the part numbers, but yeah, these are pretty cool metal figures. I can't wait to get these up on eBay. So one of the things I just realized was up in my kitchen was this Yeti. We actually found a stainless steel Yeti, and guess what, guys? There's nothing engraved on it, like every one we found recently. So we ended up paying $1 for this. I may end up keeping this and selling one of my other ones because I kind of like this stainless steel look. So $1 for a Yeti, and guess what? A Yeti made a video again. Yes, I am trying to be semi-quiet while I film this video. Well, at least the haul part of it, because it's 4 o'clock in the morning and everybody's still sleeping. But yeah, let's finish this haul video. So the other cool thing we found for $1, and we found this with the Yeti that I just showed you, was a Pittsburgh Penguin bottle opener. This looks like a kind of a stick with Labatt Blue. I might end up keeping this. We'll see how much they go for. If they don't go for much, I'll probably stick this on the fridge and somebody needs it when they come over. So guys, you know we love Disney, and we found these there. This is one of the last things we found, and I do not think this was on camera at all. But we got the Mickey's and Friends Christmas Collection Disney. It also came with 101 Dalmatians and the Jungle Book. We paid a grand total of $5 each. And my kids thought these were books at first, but it's not. It is ornaments. This one looks like they're upside down. Actually, they're not. Which is really odd because the books, I guess they are upside down. But you have Donald, Pluto, Goofy, Mickey, Minnie, and that one. And then in these ones here, you got some more of the Jungle Book right there. I don't know why I second guessed myself. Pretty cool. And you get the 101 Dalmatians one. These sell for about $19 to $30 a piece, so for 15 bucks total, I think we did pretty well. So we also picked up some more random stuff there. A pair of shoes for my kid, a shirt for my kid. Also, my other daughter got some art supplies. I think there's a video clip of that, and if there is, I'm gonna put it in right now. If there's not, I apologize, but I am almost positive she filmed something, so I'm gonna put it there, and she can show you what she found. We found one more thing though, and this item was weird because on our way home from this community sale, we were almost at home and we stopped and we saw this garage sale. So we stopped, it was about 4 hours after it started, and guy had mostly tools. Well, we don't do much tools. This time though, something stood out to me and I scanned it. I'll show you what it is. It is this Greenlee Power Finder circuit setter here. Nice in the box. I actually just cleaned it up some because it was a little dusty. But here you go. It is the Greenlee 2011. This thing's pretty cool. I just looked it up and they go for about 150 bucks or more, especially in this condition. The condition's really good. I mean, it is used, but, and if I remember, I'll put some sold comps up on the screen, but I asked him how much and he said 30 bucks, and that's about what we had left on us. So paid 30 bucks for it, and I think this one's not going to stick around long. And that is our haul for this community yard sale, guys. I think we did really good, especially because we did not buy much. We were very, very picky on what we picked up. There's a lot of stuff that we did find that I could have bought that I probably would have bought a year or two ago, but I'm really tired of stuff just sitting around. I want to find stuff that's going to move quickly, easily, and at a good price. So this stuff we picked up here, I think we did pretty good. I think we spent a grand total around 80 bucks. Maybe a little less, maybe a little bit more, but I think we're going to do really good, especially with that circuit setter that we found at the last sale. That really just capped the day off for us. So, again, guys, remember, hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and stay tuned for some more videos coming out from us, and we'll see you later, guys. Bye.